strawberry banana biscotti. Comes in an apple flavor too. So this is our highest selling flavor, our best seller, strawberry and banana. Some people love the apple flavor. So this is like a constant bestseller at our place. Then these cereals for Heinz, lovely vegetable flavors. So if you have complaints that my kid does not like to eat cauliflower, broccoli, or he does not like to eat any vegetables, you can start with these purees and these cereals. So they have a lot of research. That's why their cereals are very kid friendly, and they will introduce these flavors of vegetables to your kids, which will later encourage your child to become more friendly to the homemade vegetables as well. Veggie pasta with cheese porridge, so they really know what kids like to eat. So they have made these flavors, and it also comes with added iron and calcium. So instead of any kind of added flavor or added sugar, it comes with added iron and added calcium. Very good for a 7-month plus baby, very good for your 8-month, 9-month, 10-month-old, 1-year-old when they are not ready for table food yet, and if you don't want to give them a lot of salt and sugar, then you can easily have these foods. Coming to Slurp Farm, I'm sure all of you know this brand. It's a widely loved brand in India because it has all Indian flavors. So whenever you're traveling, or even if you're not traveling, and if you want to give the child a very good texture food which is not grainy and which does not get choked in the child's throat, so you can go with these kind of cereals. It comes in all kinds of flavors. Moong dal khichdi. Also, this is no added sugar, no milk, and no preservatives, no artificial colors. So these are the very important things that we are very much aware about these days. So we must take care of these things. So the flavors in this would be moong dal khichdi, tathu mavu, which is made out of sprouted cereals, wheat, apple, banana, millet and oat, strawberry, ragi and rice with milk. So you can just add milk to these flavors, and this is the kind of consistency that you will get. Take a few spoons of the cereal, add some milk, and make the consistency which your baby likes to eat.